Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we're going to do something a little bit different today. We actually broke something on a Ranger. We were doing some yard work and we had some mulch in the back of the bed. We went to put the bed up and what do you know? It broke. So this is a common problem with Polaris Ranger owners. I've read on a lot of forums that these are very fragile and they break real easy.
They are very fragile. They broke on the farm all the time when we were using our Rangers.
Yeah. So this is just going to be a quick, simple video. We figured we'd put one out there because sooner or later you're probably going to have one of these go bad on you. Yeah. So we figured we'd show you how to do it real quick, and we'll go from there. So if you guys come over here, you can see right here the bottom part broke. And the only thing that's holding it on is the wire right here. And that's more for safety in case one of these do break. So I didn't even know one of these were broke until I went to go ahead and close it. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So I think what we'll do is, it's pretty simple. You just got two Carter pins. You got one on the top here and then one all the way down on the bottom. So, and then once we get that off, we can just slide this back on and we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. And I think what we'll do, you want to pull it down a little bit. Yep, take some pressure off. And then this pin just slides right out. And it looks like there's a zip tie on there.
Just to hold it in.
Yeah. So we'll take that off. And this is what broke. So you guys can see it broke off right there. And it's bent. The shaft is actually bent. That's probably from closing it.
Yeah.
So this should be the right one. Yep. Part numbers match up. This one seems, look at that. Look how little these look compared to the one we just bought.
That's beefier.
So
That should hold more.
yeah, looks like they improved it. So this is OEM, and maybe it's gonna last now. So maybe that's an upgrade they did, but we'll go ahead and see what happens. So we're gonna go ahead and looks like we're gonna have to take that bottom one out right there. Hold that one, and there's just a pin down here just like that one on the top. So we'll get this wire and that's gonna go right down in there. So let's go ahead and put that on there. Well, we're gonna do it down here. Give me that. Hold that wire so it don't fall. Alright.
I think they really need to improve on that with the new models.
Yeah. The bottom should be easy to get in. Just gonna line that wire up. And then you got that pin. And then just put her back on there like that. And the bottom's on. The only thing we got to do now is Logan is gonna lean down on the bed a little bit, pull it down towards me. Alright, back up a little bit. We got that in there. Alright, bring it down towards me. More. Alright, up. And this is the hard part. Alright, back up. Because obviously the cable is shorter than a shock.
There's also a ton of tension on it now.
Right. Alright, bring it down a little bit. A little bit more. More. It's right there. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So we just had to get a screwdriver to pry it. And then all you gotta do is put the carter pin back on and we're all set. There we go. There we go. So let's go ahead and make sure it's working.
Close it up.
And it was that simple. So it's just a quick little simple video we figured we'd do for you guys. And sooner or later, yours is gonna probably break, especially if you use this bed a lot. So
farmers, hunters, who else? Just around the house.
Yeah, ours broke just doing mulch.
You got a couple 100 pounds in there.
Right.
You know?
Especially in this payload capacity is 1,000 pounds. So if you got 1,000 pounds in here and you go to dump this, I mean, you're putting a lot of pressure on that shock. So we're gonna see how long this one lasts.
Should last. It's a lot beefier than the other one.
It does look beefier. But they do make a electric one to where you can install it. Polaris has an OEM electric shock. It's kind of like actuator. Mm-hmm. It's like $600 though. So I mean, this is a lot cheaper to replace.
I mean, it's worth it if you're getting older, you know.
Right. If you don't want to get in and out, you know what I mean. You don't want to lift this up. You can get that OEM actuator. It's electric. It's a nice kit, but I don't know if I'm ready to spend $600 on that when that cost $50 or $60, whatever it was. But I'll put a link in the description. I got this on Amazon again, and it's a OEM part, so it looks good.
Mm-hmm. Matches the same one. It's the exact same thing.
Right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Also, please check out our merch store. And another thing is, follow us on Instagram, and we do have a Facebook now. So you just go on Facebook, send a friend request, UTV Dirt. I'll go ahead and accept you, and we release some things on there too. So, and we also opened up a Twitter account. Yep. So follow us on Twitter. See you on the next one.